In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana with N8n 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a working connection that lets N8n automate tasks inside your Asana workspace. First, open Asana in your browser and go to your Personal Apps and Tokens page. This is where you'll create a personal access token, which acts like a secure key for N8n to talk to your Asana account. Click the option to create a new token and give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll remember what it's for later, like N8n Asana Automation. Naming it well helps with maintenance and auditing. Agree to the terms, then confirm to create the token. As soon as the token is generated, copy it and store it somewhere safe. Treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly, and consider saving it in a password manager. Many platforms only show the token once, so make sure you've saved it before leaving the page. Now switch over to N8n and create a new workflow. You'll see a blank canvas where we'll add the connection. In the node panel, search for Asana and add the Asana node to your workflow. This node is what lets you send actions to Asana or listen for certain events. On the Asana node, choose to create new credentials. Select the access token method. When prompted, paste the personal access token you copied from Asana into the token field, then save. Keep the token free of extra spaces when pasting and make sure you didn't include any stray characters. N8n will automatically test the connection. If it succeeds, your Asana account is now linked. If you see an error, double check that the token is valid and hasn't been revoked and confirm you pasted the full value. With the connection ready, configure the Asana node for the action or trigger you want. You can work with resources like tasks, projects, or sections, and choose operations such as creating a task, updating a task, or finding tasks by project. Set any required fields, like the workspace or project, and add optional fields, such as assignee, due date, or custom fields to fine-tune the result. Finally, build out the rest of your automation around the Asana node and activate the workflow to put it into action. Once active, N8n will run your logic and keep your Asana tasks updated, hands-free. That's it, simple, secure, and ready to scale your productivity. If you found this helpful, go ahead and connect your first workflow now and watch your Asana processes automate themselves.